Amazon sent affiliates a list of over 65,000 items, and I have spent hours and hours putting together a list of deals for you. Please go to my website, Directed Tech, and that's T3CH.com, and you can see everything that I put together. Now, let's look at the list. Here we are at the electronics section. So let me explain how this is laid out first. We've got multimeters and test equipment. We have soldering and rework. We've got Klein tools. We've got Fantic and Hodo precision tools. We've got some wire crimping and connectors, power strips. I mean, who couldn't use another power strip on their workbench? And then we have monitors, cameras, and for your bench. You know, if you record videos like I do, or you just like to keep track of your work, maybe it's a good idea to have those. Now, let me explain to you how each one of these little sections work. First, we have the name that was provided to us by Amazon, and then I've done my very best to come up with a one-year low price. I used camelcamelcamel.com to research the lowest price. Then we also have the average rating from Amazon. So let's click on this and see what we have. Here is the Amazon webpage, and this is being recorded before the sale starts. So this is the current price that I see right now. Now, I would encourage you to do your own price history search. So if this is available, you can click on the price history, and then hopefully tomorrow the price will be lower. But you can see here, Alexa will tell you the 1 year lowest price. So you can decide if you actually are getting a good deal. And you can also use websites like Camel, and they even have a browser extension that you can plug in, and then it will allow you to do research with another source. If you're in the market for an oscilloscope, here's something that you might consider. We have this 100 megahertz digital oscilloscope from Siglent. That might be a good addition for your workbench. And as I mentioned earlier, who couldn't use more power strips on their workbench? Here we have a 12 outlet metal power strip with individual switches and surge protection. So again, that might be a great addition to your electronic workbench. There are plenty of deals on this page, so please take a look, browse through, and if you use them, it helps me out a little bit, but it won't cost you anything extra. I hope you save some money during Amazon Prime deal days. Now, if you're like me, you might have other hobbies, so please take a look at some of the other videos that I've done for the Amazon Prime days. As always, I enjoy the time that I get to spend together with you here on the channel. Let's keep on learning, burning, printing, and fixing things together. Take care, everyone.